Hello and welcome to another Bodgit and Leggit video. Yes, I'm back in my orifice again, and as you can see from the title of the video, I want to build a car. I've been thinking about this for a long time, and the two cars I've picked, because I'm making two cars into one, they are kind of cars for the people, British cars, and they are perfect. We have the Mini, which was the car for the people, you know, affordable, everyone can drive, everybody knows the Mini, and we have the Cosworth, who everyone knows I love the Cosworth too. Not only that, it was a car that was built that was affordable. Compare it to the Lamborghinis, the Ferraris, the Porsches of the day, and it will annihilate them. So what better thing to do than put them both together to make a four-wheel drive 666 brake horsepower Mini. Now I know that I mean, I'd love that horsepower, but obviously trying to get that exact figure will be difficult. And call it Project Bulldog. I mean, what more do you want? It's just awesome. Now, what I want to do is also I want to show a lot more skills that I haven't really shown in my videos. You know, making panels, preparing panels, you know, cutting out bits, you know, making brackets, you know, fabricating things, you know, when you come across something that you're stuck with, you know, thinking about it, trying to come over problems, because there's going to be a lot of issues with this build and a lot of stuff that is going to take time to figure out and, you know, reinvent the wheel, so to speak. I just think it's going to be fantastic, and who doesn't want to see that? I mean, why wouldn't you want to see that? There's loads of videos out there, you know, Project Brinky comes into mind, which is just a fantastic build as well. But I was thinking about this a long time ago, and like everything, it always comes down to money. That is the issue. So what I'm looking for is a sponsor. Someone that is going to, you know, want to be involved in this and obviously sponsor the video. So what I need you to do is share this, you know, on social media, share this, talk about this. I'm going to try and get this video going all over the place so we can hopefully get someone who is daft enough, more money than sense, really, that's what we need. Or some big, huge company that wants to obviously, you know, sponsor me. I know this video might annoy people too, that, you know, I'm like begging, but I still think it's going to be a fantastic video series, you know, showing people, you know, because this will also help you if you're restoring cars, if you're building stuff or anything, the skills that you can learn from this. I want to be showing people how to physically make panels rather than having to buy them, how to make brackets, or how to do anything you want rather than trying to buy it off the shelves, because most of the stuff for this project is going to have to be made and not bought, because obviously you can't go out and buy a part for a Cosworth engine to fit into a Mini. Hopefully we can make this happen. You know, we can share this video, get some company that wants to be involved in this awesome project. Project Bulldog 660 horsepower Mini. Can you just imagine how much fun that's going to be to drive? I want this car to be fully road legal. It's just going to be awesome. And like I said, the skills we can all learn over this. You know, any suggestions you have, put them down below. You know, contact me on Instagram or Facebook, or just, you know, leave a message down below. But we do need to find some company, someone who has basically more money than sense, which I know is going to be difficult, but you never know. If you don't ask, you don't know. Hopefully between us we can work something out, because I think this project is going to be fantastic. Can you just imagine this? And so that's it, people. Look, all I can say is let's see what happens. Hopefully we can do it. I don't care how long it will take me. I'm going to keep trying for this to happen. And yeah, you never know. Just all we need is one person out there, one person daft enough to want to sponsor this project. And like I said, all the skills we can all learn, I mean, it's going to be fantastic. So look, as always, don't forget, you know, please like, share, subscribe, comment. Links up here, links down below to my Facebook, Patreon, to Instagram, to all that. But most importantly, don't forget, get your hands dirty. See you for the next one. Sorted. Sorted. Sorted.